Hi, my name's Joel. I'm the proprietor here at Good Eggs.
Good Eggs is kind of an experience as well as just a burrito, and being on the water, I think it lightens everybody's spirit. It is a nice setting, and it's something that, Door County's just kind of ripe with places like this where you get to be in a beautiful spot.
So what we do is we make an omelet to order and then we wrap it up in a big tortilla. It's a breakfast burrito stand. The basic is Spuds, Eggs, Cheese. For $2 more, you can join the Veggie Club, the standard, Spuds, Eggs, Cheese, and Veggies. Another $2 gets you on top of the food chain. The Deluxe has bacon, chicken, or sausage. And we twist all those up in a tortilla, and they're all about 16 to 18 ounces. So it's a hearty breakfast. We do a strawberry banana smoothie, and we just stick to fresh fruit. We don't use any powders or additives or anything like that. So it's always just pretty straightforward. But I like smoothies, and it really screams summer. Friday nights and Wednesday nights, Carlin and Georgina bring their chicken wagon down here. And we open up the back bar and serve red stripes and play some reggae, and they make a great product. I think this corner really shines in the evenings. The sun setting over Peninsula State Park, water reflecting off of Eagle Harbor. It's a really nice place to drink a beer and meet friends.